Hey guys, I'm Aaron, the Vice President of Sales and Marketing at Arkon Mounts. We make these great tools for you guys to create videos with your phone as you're crafting or demonstrating. We have two different versions. The Pro Stand was our original model that is actually just the phone holder. It's a height adjustable phone stand, and let's show you how it works basically. It's a universal phone holder, spring loaded, and it fits all phones and all cases. So what you do is you put your phone in the holder like this, and then the stand itself is height adjustable from 17 to 29 inches tall. You can spin around all different directions wherever you want your phone to be able to film your demonstration, your crafting tutorial. This stand will accommodate it. There's several different knobs here on the side of the stand up at the top. If you loosen these, you can see how much movement you have. You can go anywhere you want, from essentially down low all the way up to 43 inches tall. So we have wreathers, and we have stampers, and we have artists, and all crafters who want to promote their products, their work that they do, their art that they do. They love the Arkon Mounts Pro Stand. This one is model number HD8RV29. Earlier this year, we introduced a new variation, which is a bundle. A lot of people wanted to be able to go live on Facebook, and when you go live on Facebook with your phone in the overhead position, you can't see the comments that are coming in from your community because your phone's up here and usually you're working down here. So what we created was a bundle that included a tablet holder that connects to the Pro Stand. Let's take a look at that. So this version here has the tablet attached, and when my phone is placed up here in the top, if I'm doing a demonstration down here, I'd be able to see exactly what was happening down here. It also comes with a clip-on LED ring light that has 3 different settings. You just push the button on the back, it's a clip, and this clips onto your phone, and then you're able to light up the area below you to do your crafting demonstration. I'm going to show you something real quick, which is very advanced usage for filming and doing live stream video on Facebook. There's an app called Switcher Studio. SwitcherStudio.com. They have a free trial of this app that you can use, but you can connect up to 9 different iOS devices. So if you're doing crafting and you want to be able to provide a lot of different views to your community who's watching you, check out Switcher Studio. We're not affiliated with them, but we do love using that app. So I'm going to go into Switcher Studio on my phone. I'll show you guys what I'm doing here. And we'll go into Switcher Studio. And now both of these devices are connected by Wi-Fi. I'll be able to go into Switcher Studio, and I'll be able to take control of the iPad that's connected to the holder there. The way I do that is I just go here, Inputs, and I grab my iPad. So now it's connecting to my second device. You can actually connect up to 9 devices, and each one of them you can control through your phone as the primary controller for your broadcast. Now, what this app allows you to do is to do a lot of different things in terms of you can use different cameras. Let me switch over to this side. We could show this camera angle here, or I could switch over here, and then now we're seeing this camera angle, which is active. You can also control the back side of them as well. See, that would be me right there. Or I can go to this camera, which is a camera on my phone, and we would see that. But the reason I really love this is you're able to bring in photos, you're able to bring in videos as well. There's one of our badges. Here's the event we're at right here, Mixed Media. So this would be all showing in the Facebook Live broadcast that you guys do. If you have a great pre-recorded video that you want to share, you just use that. So here's a video that I created where I'm making a wreath, and I'm talking about how wreath makers love to use our Arkon mounts. So this program, Switcher Studio, is really effective for anyone who's a crafter. A lot of times what we'll do is we create lower thirds to be able to have in the broadcast as well. And this is all being pushed down to your Facebook Live or your YouTube page. You get to decide which one you want to do. So the Arkon phone mounts are really useful for crafters, anybody who's an artist, because you have a story to tell. A lot of times you're making products and you want to show them up on Etsy and you want to have a great way to do it, a great video. This is the tool for you. This was the Pro Stand. This one is called the Remarkable Creators Bundle. It has the 3-in-1 where it's the tablet holder and the ring light. So it's basically everything you need to be able to do your crafting tutorials. So that's from Arkon Mounts. Our website is arkon.com. We hope you guys will check it out. Great tools for anybody who does crafts.